Your yoga mat is more than just a piece of equipment. It's your personal space, your foundation, and often, your first step toward deeper focus and better movement. Whether you're sinking into a child's pose or flowing through a high-intensity vinyasa, the right mat can make a world of difference. But not all mats are created equal. That's why we've handpicked the top 20 yoga mats for comfort and durability on Amazon, covering everything from budget-friendly basics to premium AI-powered options. No matter your style or level, and if you're ready to find the perfect mat for your needs, check the links in the description below. We've included all the products featured, so you can explore them in detail. 1. Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. Let's start with one of the most accessible and popular mats online, the Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. This mat is often overlooked due to its simplicity, but it's actually one of the best beginner-friendly mats out there. With its generous thickness, it cushions your knees and back during floor poses and longer holds. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and ideal for anyone starting their yoga journey or looking for extra comfort at an affordable price. While it may not have the high-end grip of other yoga mats, it more than makes up for it in comfort and ease of use. 2. Gaio Handmade Organic Yoga Mat. On the opposite side of the spectrum is the Gaio Handmade Organic Yoga Mat, a beautifully crafted mat made with 100% organic cotton. This isn't your typical sticky mat, it's designed for mindful practitioners who prioritize sustainability, breathability, and a natural touch. It's soft, absorbent, and best for slower practices like hatha, yin, or meditation. If you're someone who prefers natural textures over rubber or PVC, this mat brings a grounded, earthy feeling to every pose. 3. Gayam Sol Dry Grip Yoga Mat. For hot yoga fans or anyone who tends to sweat during practice, the Gayam Sol Dry Grip Yoga Mat is a must-have. Built with a special top layer that actually gets grippier as it gets wet, it's ideal for Bikram, heated vinyasa, or high-intensity flows. The 6mm thickness provides good cushioning, without sacrificing stability. It's also free of latex and designed to reduce slipping, making it a strong choice for those who need traction above all. 4. Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. Next up, we have a mat that's practically legendary in the yoga community, the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. This mat is built like a tank, with ultra-dense support and a closed-cell surface that doesn't absorb sweat. It's a long-term investment for serious practitioners. While it does take time to break in, once it does, it offers a perfect balance of cushion and support. 5. ProSource Fit Trifold Folding Exercise Mat. For those who blend yoga with other workouts like Pilates or calisthenics, the ProSource Fit Trifold Folding Exercise Mat is an interesting hybrid. It's not a traditional yoga mat, but its foldable design and thick padding make it great for floor-based exercises and restorative poses. It's also easy to store and transport, especially for home use or small spaces. If your yoga practice includes physical therapy or low-impact movement, this mat has your back, literally. 6. Gayam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat. Returning to more classic designs, the Gayam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat offers solid quality at a reasonable price. Available in various colors, it provides plenty of joint support while staying relatively light and portable. The included carrying strap is a bonus, and the non-slip texture ensures you stay stable even during faster flows. It's one of those mats that just gets the job done, dependable, soft, and affordable. 7. Lifram Yoga Mat. Size matters, and if you're a taller yogi or simply love having more space to stretch out, the Lifram Yoga Mat delivers. It's a larger version of the classic Lifram, which is already well loved for its eco-friendly materials, excellent grip, and alignment system. That system, by the way, is great for improving form, guiding hand and foot placement throughout your practice. It's not cheap, but if you take yoga seriously and want a spacious, performance-driven mat, this one is worth every penny. 8. SmartMat Gen 3. Let's talk about technology. The SmartMat Gen 3 is one of the most innovative products in this space, an AI-powered yoga mat that tracks your movement and gives real-time feedback via an app. This mat measures balance, alignment, and position, making it perfect for solo practitioners who want studio-level instruction at home. It's an investment, yes, but for the data-driven yogi, it offers a new layer of awareness and progress tracking that you just can't get from a standard mat. 9. Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat. Back in the comfort lane, we have the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat, which stands out for its ultra-thick 1-inch cushioning. That's double what most mats offer, and it makes a big difference for your spine, knees, and hips. It's designed for both men and women, features a non-slip surface, and comes in a range of colors. For slower practices or anyone recovering from injury, the Solana is like doing yoga on a cloud. 10. Lifirm Original Yoga Mat. Then we have the Lifirm Original Yoga Mat, a mat that combines grip, eco-consciousness, and aesthetic simplicity. This mat includes a free carrying bag and features Lifirm's famous alignment markers. Built with biodegradable natural rubber and eco-polyurethane, it's a favorite among instructors and students alike. The grip is outstanding, whether you're dry or sweating. The mat remains stable on any surface. 11. Spree Hanging Exercise Mat. For fitness studios and group classes, consider the Spree Hanging Exercise Mat. These mats are designed for easy storage with built-in eyelets, and they hold up well to heavy use. While not exclusively a yoga mat, it works well for all mat-based movement. If you manage a gym or teach classes, Spree's durability and function make it a great group-friendly choice. 12. Premium Yoga Cork Mat. The Premium Yoga Cork Mat is a favorite among eco-conscious yogis. Cork naturally resists odors and bacteria, and it actually becomes more grippy with sweat. It's paired with a rubber base for added stability and works well in hot yoga settings. The surface is firm and smooth, offering a unique feel that's different from traditional PVC or foam mats. 13. Clever Yoga Non-Slip Hot Yoga Towel Mat. The Clever Yoga Non-Slip Hot Yoga Towel Mat merges the benefits of a yoga towel with the grip of a mat. Made with absorbent microfiber suede, it's ideal for hot yoga classes where sweat is a guarantee. This hybrid design eliminates the need for bringing a separate towel, keeping your surface consistent and secure throughout your session. 14. Suga Premium Recycled Yoga Mat. For the environmentally minded, the Suga Premium Recycled Yoga Mat is a standout. Made entirely from recycled wetsuits, this mat redefines sustainability. It's thick, dense, and highly durable. A surprisingly rugged option with a soft heart. Suga's mission to reduce landfill waste while offering premium yoga gear is something many conscious consumers can get behind. 15. K&SBK Large Round Yoga Mat. We can't forget the K&SBK Large Round Yoga Mat, a circular mat that's perfect for creative movement, stretching, and multi-directional flows. Measuring 4.6 feet in diameter, it allows for more spatial freedom than a rectangular mat. If you love to blend yoga with dance, movement meditation, or stretching in all directions, the round format opens up new possibilities. 16. Lifirm Travel Yoga Mat. Frequent travelers should look at the Lifirm Travel Yoga Mat, lightweight, foldable, and still grippy. It's the ideal companion for on-the-go practice. It sacrifices a bit of thickness for portability, but it doesn't compromise on grip or quality. Whether you're practicing in hotel rooms, parks, or beaches, this mat rolls up small and delivers big. 17. Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat. Another budget-friendly comfort option is the Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat, which appears again due to its popularity and versatility. It's thick enough to support sensitive joints and light enough to carry anywhere. For anyone seeking value without sacrificing comfort, this mat is a strong repeat contender. 18. Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat. Next, we have the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat, a visually stunning mat made from recycled materials and water-based inks. It combines a yoga towel top layer with a natural rubber base, giving it the perfect surface for sweaty classes. If you care about style and sustainability, this mat adds color to your practice while supporting the planet. 19. Mything Logic Yoga Mat Storage Rack. Lastly, let's not forget the space that supports your mats. The Mything Logic Yoga Mat Storage Rack. While it's not a mat itself, it's essential for organization. It holds multiple mats, blocks, foam rollers, and more. It helps you keep your practice space tidy and inspiring. If your home studio is becoming cluttered, this rack adds both function and flair. 20. Smart Mat Gen 3. This next generation mat fuses technology with tradition. Embedded sensors connect to a companion app, offering real-time alignment and posture feedback as you move. It tracks your balance, weight distribution, and pose accuracy, making it feel like having a personal instructor at home. The mat itself is cushioned yet firm, with an easy clean, sweat-resistant surface suitable for all styles of practice. Whether you're unrolling your mat for the very first time or building on years of dedicated practice, having the right surface beneath you can make a world of difference. From AI-powered smart mats that guide your posture in real time to eco-friendly cork options and ultra-cushioned designs for joint support, the right yoga mat elevates every stretch, breath, and pose. These top 20 picks on Amazon bring you a perfect mix of comfort, durability, and style tailored to suit every kind of yogi. If one of these mats caught your attention, or if you've had experience with any of them, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow yoga lovers, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new wellness drop. And if there's a specific yoga product or workout gear you want us to review next, let us know. We're here to explore what matters most to you. As always, you'll find direct links to all the mats featured in the description, so go ahead and check them out. Your next great practice might just begin with a simple click.